Hello everyone, welcome to your yoga practice for calm and grounding. This is perfect for any time of the day where you just feel like you need that extra tranquility. So whenever you're ready, get seated on your mat, bringing hips over the knees, shoulder over the hips. Start to close down the eyes. You can place the hands facing down onto the thighs for a more grounding energy. And just start to tune into your breath. Check in with yourself. Notice where the mind is today. Notice what thoughts are true and what thoughts you can start to release. Sometimes we make stories in our own minds about the future, and the future hasn't happened yet, so we are in this present moment, just feeling the body. On your inhale, open up the eyes, reach the arms up overhead. Let the palms touch. Feel the palms press into each other. Lengthen out through the side of the body. Lift the heart, lift the gaze. As you exhale, send the hands down to the heart. On your inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Let the palms touch. Interlace the fingers, turn the palms to face up. Once again, lengthening. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, side bend over to the right. Keep the neck long. Inhale, bring yourself back up center. And exhale, side bend to the left. Really pull on that right hand. Inhale, up center. Exhale, bring that right hand or fingertips down beside you. Left arm reaches over the ear, grounding down through that left hip. Breathing into the left side of the body, feel the ribs expand. As you inhale, reach the right arm up, left hand or fingertips come down, the right arm reaches over. Keep the neck long, lift the chin, relax the shoulders. And inhale, make your way up. Bring yourself into a seated position with the legs lengthened out in front of you. Pull the toes towards you. Lift the heart, lift the chest, lengthen through the spine. Feel the sit bones down beneath you. And on your inhale, reach the arms up overhead. You can bend the knees if the hamstrings are tight. As you exhale, fold into yourself. Let the hands fall wherever they land, whether it's the outsides of the feet, the ankles, the shins. Just let a natural rounding occur in the spine. Let the head fall heavy, softening into the back of the neck. And just maybe start to bring awareness to the sounds that you can hear. And on your next inhale, feel the back expand. As you exhale, maybe you sink a little deeper. Inhale, lift up. Bring that right knee up into the chest. Sweep that right arm all the way up and back. Inhale, lift the left arm up. As you exhale, cross that left elbow over that right thigh. Turn the gaze past that right shoulder. Breathe in as you lengthen through the spine and out the crown of the head. Keep the left toes engaged, pulling back towards you. Stay here for 2 rounds of breath. As you exhale, start to unravel. Bring that right knee down beside you so that the left foot is on the inside of that left thigh. Reach for the outside edge of that left foot or ankle. Reach the right arm all the way up and over, side bend over to the left. Maybe you end up catching the toes and you pull that right shoulder back. Still lengthening through the neck. Try not to shrug. If you notice yourself starting to collapse, maybe that means to come up a little higher. And we stay, we breathe. 2 rounds of breath. On your inhale, lift up. Bring that right hand down beside you. Point the left toes, come onto that right knee, lift the hips, let that left arm fall back into a supported wild thing variation. Keep the hips lifted, lift the heart up, let the head fall back. And on your exhale, start to lower the hips down with control. Extend that right leg out in front of you. Bend into that left knee. Same thing on the left side. Lift the left arm all the way up and over. Bring it behind you. Right toes pulling back. Reach that right arm up and cross that right elbow over the left knee. Twist to the back. 2 rounds of breath. As you exhale, empty out completely. Unravel. Bring that left knee down, turn to face that right leg, and reach the right hand to the outside edge of that right foot, left arm reaching over the ear, side bend to the right. You can choose how deep you want to take this. Maybe you stay up. Maybe you end up taking a bind with the right toes. Left shoulder starts to pull back. One more round of breath. As you inhale, lift up. Bring that left hand behind you. Point the right toes. Come up to that left knee. Lift the hips. Sweep that right arm all the way up and back. Lift the heart. Let the head fall heavy. As you keep the hips and heart lifted, can you bring your awareness down to the connections that you're making on the ground with that hand and that left leg? As you exhale, slowly start to lower the hips. Bring both feet together into a butterfly shape. Lengthen through the spine. Bring the hands to the outer edges of the feet. Press the knees down as you exhale, folding into yourself. Some people can go as deep as bringing their third eye in between the eyebrows towards the toes. Take a peaceful breath in and start to make your way up. Cross the ankles, roll over the knees, come onto hands and knees, tabletop position, shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Spread the fingers wide. And drop the belly, pull the tailbone towards the head, lift the heart, lift the gaze. Take a breath in and stay for the exhale. Take another breath in. As you exhale, start to tuck the tailbone under. As you round the spine, inflate the back, chin to the chest. Take a breath in. Stay for your exhale. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, lift the heart. Exhale, round the spine, chin to the chest. Cat pose. Inhale, drop the belly for cow. Exhale, round the spine, chin to the chest. Bring yourself back to a neutral spine. Walk the hands out in front of you, puppy pose. Start to bring the forearms down, send the heart down, forehead touches down to your mat. On your inhale, press up into the hands, walk the hands back towards you, tuck the toes under, lift the knees, send the hips back, downward facing dog. You can keep the heels lifted here if the hamstrings are tight. Spread the hands wide, tailbone starts to lift up. Just pressing into your foundation, feeling the hands equally pressing down into the mat. Equal weight into both feet, pulling the heels down towards the mat. Heart reaches towards the thighs. Gaze forward and step that right foot in between the hands. Drop the back knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up into a low crescent lunge. Lift the heart, lift the gaze. Sink the hips down. As you exhale, bring the arms down beside you. Inhale, sweep them back up. Exhale, sweep them down. Circle them around forwards and up. And we'll do that one more time. And as you exhale, bring the fingertips down. Send the hips back, half split. Pull the toes towards the face. Come up high on the fingertips. Lift the heart, lift the gaze. And as you exhale, rebend into that right knee. Bring the left hand down. Lift the back knee up. Sweep that right arm all the way up to the sky for a twist. You can rock forwards and back here if that feels good. As you exhale, lower that right hand down. Step that right foot back, downward dog. Inhale, shift forward into a high plank and lower the knees down. Keep the hips lifted as you send the heart and the chin down. Inhale, start to drop the hips, extend up through the chest into a cobra pose. Maybe you start to straighten out through the arms as you pull the heart forward. Backs of the feet press down. Make your way into tabletop, tuck the toes under, lift the knees, downward dog. Gaze forward, step the left foot in between the hands, back knee lowers down. Sweep the arms up. Exhale, sink the hips down. Inhale here. Exhale, open up the arms beside you into airplane arms. Sweep them down and forwards, and we'll do that 2 more times. As you exhale, bring the fingertips down, half split. Bring the hips back, pull the toes back. Come up high on the fingertips. Today we're more focusing on the sense of grounding. Rather than pushing your limits, find a place of calm. So instead of going 100%, maybe today you go 30%. Rebend into that left knee, tuck the right toes under, right hand presses down, lift that right knee up, sweep that left arm all the way up for a twist. Slowly lower that left hand down to the inside of that left foot, walk towards the middle of the mat, wide-legged forward fold. Drop the head, the back down. Maybe you rock the head yes and no a few times. Inhale, lift up halfway and start to walk the hands over towards that right foot. Start to bend into that left knee. Inhale, like straighten through that left leg and start to walk the hands all the way over towards that left foot. Breathing into the right side of the body. Start to bend into that right knee. Walk the hands back to the center, straighten out through that right knee. Inhale, lift halfway, come up onto the fingertips. Exhale, release. Inhale, halfway lift. Heel toe the feet together 3 times. Bend the knees, sink the hips down. Goddess pose. Bring the hands to the heart, elbows pressing into the knees. 3 rounds of breath here. Sink the hips down. Slowly bring the hands behind you, lower the hips, cross the ankles into Sukhasana, easy seat. Lengthen out through the spine, hands to the knees, bring the chin down. As you inhale, bring that right ear over to the right shoulder. As you exhale, bring the head back down to the chest. Inhale, left ear, left shoulder. Exhale, chin down to the chest. And just rock the head from side to side. Next time, the left ear is to the left shoulder. Let the head fall back, point the chin up. Circle it all the way around so that the chin comes back down to the chest. And we'll switch directions. Keep in mind you can slow down, you can linger. Start to bring the chin back down to the chest and lift the head, lift the gaze. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Bring that right hand down behind you, left hand on top of that right knee. Just one breath here. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, twist to the left side. The dogs are going crazy right now. Maybe you can hear. And slowly start to bring yourself back into your space of calm. Close down the eyes. Let the palms either face down onto the knees for grounding, or maybe you let the palms face up into a receptive position, receiving any peace that you need at this moment in time and space. Maybe you start to notice the effects of your practice. Notice the mind, maybe it's more quiet. The body possibly more relaxed and open. And the heart rate starting to slow down. An invitation to put a smile on your face. Let the full body smile. Imagine your soul smiling. You can stay here as long as you wish. If you're ready to come out of your practice, bring hands together in prayer at heart center. Take a deep breath in. Hold at the top. Take another sip of breath in. Another sip of breath in. And exhale out the mouth. Feel the shoulders drop. From my heart to yours, namaste.